Hey everyone, it's me, Silvolve, and today I'm going to be unboxing this little cutie pup from Little Live Pets, which I found in Tesco because we were on our way back from somewhere and I thought, hey, what would be good to unbox? And people seem to like my Little Live Pets, so I thought I would get one of these and unbox it for you guys. So we've got the shout-outs, and they go to Wiggle and Giggle Time, Super Duper Absolute Jolly Dolly Furby Fan, and Glitter Toes the Furby, Mr. Pickles, Aaron Gill and Maylarka, Cats Are Awesome 1010, Cool Hero Bro 1 Whitey, and Kirby Lover 2017 / Startunes. I wanted a little doggy for quite some time from the Little Live Pets collection, but I've never got one. One of my friends actually got one, came in a cute little basket, but like I said, I never got one. We did go to Toys R Us and I saw them, but I just didn't buy one. I don't think I had the money at the time or something like that. But anyway, so here we go. We've got this little puppy. It's very cute. It kind of reminds me of Rainbow Dash from My Little Pony, actually. The colours and the rainbow. So it says, I beg, I scamper, I play ball. Little cutie pup. It's got a ball as an accessory. I'm just like a real puppy. And on the back you can see all the others you can collect. So there's 4, and there's also that one there, which comes with like a little sort of doghouse. It reminds me a bit of the Little Live Pets little mice that come with their own little cages. They did actually sell that one, but it was a bit too expensive. I couldn't afford that one today, so I got this one instead. And they had all of these, but they didn't have... Oh no, that's the same one. Yeah, so they'd actually had, the shop had all of these. But I like these two best, but I chose that one because I like the colours better. So it says, I play with my toy, watch me scamper around, pat me, I will sing, I beg. And then it says a little bit of information there about Starbow. Starbow is a rainbow on the go, a bag full of fun and giggles, who loves being silly. Starbow is bright, yappy and always happy. And there's some more information up there, and if you want you can pause it and view that. So it's just got contents, 1 puppy and 1 ball and 1 instruction booklet. And it does say it's got batteries, but they are demonstration batteries. However, you can't actually activate the puppy, so the batteries should be pretty good when you get the toy. Now comes the fun part. Luckily I have scissors. So I normally, when I have things like this, I normally don't actually use scissors, I just kind of tear into it. So we cut off those 2 bits either side. And that should enable us to just tear this and get the top of it open like that. Not too hard really, as long as you have scissors to help you start off. There's the puppy. We've got the instruction booklet there as well. I'll put the packaging to one side. So there's the puppy. That's like a little sort of cardboard cutout thing. So, there we go. A ball for the puppy. And the puppy itself, it's got a tag around its tail, so we won't try to get it out until that's been cut. It should just come out easily then. There we go. And this actually says, switch on, then lift my tail to start. But before we start the puppy up, we will have a look at the instructions. Right, of course they're in a million different languages, but these are the English ones. Got some troubleshooting there. Tells you how to make your puppy sleep. How to get it to beg. Loves attention. Okay. Loves to be pet. So it's got touch sensitivity like the other Little Live Pets. Exploring, so it will run around. Hopefully it won't fall off the table. And then we've got stuff about the batteries, battery compartment and stuff like that. So let's turn on the little cutie pup. It's got something somewhere Oh, there we go. It's very small, right on its back. Like that. Which means it's switched on because it's green. So if we lift the tail, it barks. There we go. And it's running backwards. I'm wondering whether it's sensitive to light actually, because it seems to be running towards the door but backing up when it gets too dark. No, too far. Don't go that way. There we go. Come here. So you can align this with its mouth. Oh, I see, it's magnetic. If we can actually get the dog back on the table, there we go. It's magnetic, the ball, and it sticks to the dog's chest, so she can sort of chase it around. Let's see what else. So I've got her to sing, and that's how she explores. Place your pup on its hind legs and it'll beg. Okay, so if we do this, you have to kind of hold her there. She doesn't seem to be staying by herself. Have I did that right? Yeah, she doesn't seem to stay there by herself. Let's just move those legs down a bit. There we go. So you have to kind of move the back legs down a bit, and then she'll carry on exploring later on. I quite like the sort of fluid movement of the little legs. It's kind of hard to get little robotic animals to move with a certain amount of realism when they're this small, actually. Certainly likes to run around, a bit like the mice. I remember taking the mice into my old workplace and letting them run around on the floor, and it was insane. Because one of them, unlike the other three, didn't actually go to sleep. It was constantly active. I've no idea why. But they're supposed to go to sleep if you leave them for a bit to save the batteries. It didn't. So there we go. Get her to beg again. Can't get her to sing while she's begging, I don't think. So basically, if you leave it for a while, it will actually cry out to try and get your attention. And then go to sleep after a few minutes. And you can wake it up at any time by pressing its tail, switching it off and back on again, and then pressing the tail. So basically the tail kind of gets it to be active. So that's the Little Live Pets puppy. Oh, there we go. Sounds quite angry I've taken the ball away from it. Certainly on the go all the time. I would imagine if you've got several of these, it'd be quite fun having them running around the floor. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of this little puppy. And I'll see you next time. As always, feel free to click on any of the related videos that come up in the boxes. And this is Silverwolf signing off. And I think the puppy's kind of got a bit tired now. Oh no, here we go again. See you later, guys.